I want to show you guys mosquitoes in standing water. So I have this pot right here, and it has little holes on the side where the water can go into this little storage thing. And when it rains, it might sit there for a couple days, and I've been meaning to cut it. To drill a hole, but if I spill it out, this is like really old stagnant water, and within this water, oh, there's one. That's gonna be a mosquito. So got a bunch of them in here. I really got to drill this because these things are gonna turn into mosquitoes, and my backyard's gonna be full of them. So I really suggest you make sure you check your yard, that there's no standing water. For pots like this, you can just drill a hole there and let the water out, so that way you don't have mosquitoes biting you. So